In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quotes carousel to a Hostinger website. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option to edit your site and click Edit Website. This will open the website builder, where you can make changes visually and see everything in real time. If you're new to Hostinger's editor, don't worry. The layout is designed to be simple, and most of the work is done with just a few clicks. After the editor loads, go to the area of the page where you want the quotes carousel to appear. Think about where testimonials or quotes will be most effective. Many people place them on the home page, a services page, or somewhere near a call to action, since positive customer feedback can help build trust. Next, click Add Section. This is where you can insert a new, pre-designed content block into your page. Hostinger provides different section categories for different needs, and in this case, you'll want to choose Testimonials. This section is typically used for customer reviews, quotes, and social proof, so it's the right place to create a quote carousel. Once you click Testimonials, you'll see different layout options. At this stage, select the layout that best matches the style of your website. Some layouts may look more minimal, while others may feel more bold or visual. If your goal is to highlight several quotes in a rotating or organized format, choose the one that best fits that presentation and blends well with the rest of your design. After adding the section, you can start customizing it. This is where you make the carousel feel like it belongs on your site. Edit the text to include the quotes or testimonial content you want to show. Make sure the wording is clear, readable, and consistent with your brand voice. You can also update the images if the layout includes them. For example, you might replace the default images with relevant profile pictures, brand visuals, or other appropriate graphics that support the quotes. Take a moment to review the section once you've finished editing. Check that the text is accurate, the images are aligned properly, and the overall section looks clean on the page. Small adjustments in spacing, wording, or image choice can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. When everything looks good, click Update Website to save and publish your changes. That's it. Your quotes carousel is now added to your Hostinger website and ready for visitors to see.